welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix issues when you are unable to launch your camera in Windows or encounter the error code 0xa00f4244. And now, let's get started. First, we need to ensure your camera drivers are up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, locate and expand the Cameras section. If your camera is disabled, you will see an option to enable device. Click on it to enable your camera. Next, right-click on your camera device and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Then, select Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. This will take you to the Windows Update page, where you can check for and install any available updates related to your hardware. After the updates are installed, restart your computer and check if your camera is now working. The next step is to verify that your camera app is enabled in Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, and then on the right-hand side find Camera. Click on Camera, and ensure that camera access is turned on by toggling the button. Once this is confirmed, try launching the camera app to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, you can try repairing or resetting your camera app. Again, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. In the list of installed applications, find Camera. Click on the three dotted lines next to it, and select Advanced Options. Within the Advanced Options, first ensure that the camera app permissions are enabled for all listed items. Then, scroll down and click on Repair. Wait for the repair process to complete. This will attempt to fix any issues within the camera application. After the repair, try opening the camera app again. If repairing the app did not work, you can proceed to reset it. On the same Advanced Options page for the camera app, click on Reset. Confirm the reset when prompted. This action will reset the camera app to its default settings. Once the reset is complete, close the window, restart your computer, and check if your camera is functioning correctly. For external cameras, try disconnecting it and then plugging it into a different USB port. Sometimes, a simple port change can resolve connectivity issues. As a final troubleshooting step, you can uninstall and then reinstall the camera app. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Find Camera in the list, click on the three dotted lines, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation. After the app is uninstalled, restart your computer. Then, open the Microsoft Store, search for the Windows Camera app, and install it. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to open and use the camera app. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.